Okay, yeah, everybody, we are back. Turn that down a little bit. There we go. No, not you either. There we go. Here we go. Ah, damn it. Do I still get points for finding it though? Or do I have to actually pass it and find it and beat it? We'll find out. Yeah, there's 3 before even that? Amazing. Winky, get back here. I lost my Winky. Okay, tell me something about Stop and Go, Cranky. Oh, I didn't expect to see you today. The crafty croctopus corners this crock of collectibles coral capers. I was told that if you bounce on 8 consecutive baddies, you get an extra knife. That's all, folks. It's nothing to do with anything I wanted. Boy, about the master on the faith. Wiki barrel canyon. No, attack baddie. I know that little that's about the size of it. Fuck you, old man. Give me what I want. I already know that. I already know that. You didn't tell me shit about the Stop and Go station. Slap hands. I don't know where it could be. We'll do it again. I don't care. Could it have been up there? Up where? I slap my hands. I think I know what you're talking about, but I don't think you get high enough of a bounce for that. I don't know, we'll find out. Ah! Dick. No, I need Donkey Kong. I need Diddy for this. Oh, luckily. You get out of there. Nope. I don't know where it is. I don't know. Maybe it is a secret in the beginning. I don't know. We're gonna find this fucking thing, I swear to God. Get testy. Can you shut your dog up? No, my roommate does not take care of his dog properly. If you're not going to take care of it, get rid of it. Like, I like the dog. It's a good dog. It does not get taken care of properly. It pisses me off. Okay, well, we'll try it. Oh, shit. We did it. Was that it? Tell me that was it. That was not it. Shit, that was an accident. Let me beat this guy real quick. Let me go beat Necky's nuts. She's like, ah, ooh. Can you tell me something about Stop and Go? Donkey Kong's not even there, you senile old fart. Oh, hang on a second.